cookies! Gone again! Bad squirrel.
Again? Let's go check the backyard together.
Okay, Mom. I will find him. Mom, is the squirrel really stealing my cookies?
Maybe, but let's look closely before we blame him.
Look, Mom! The squirrel is sitting near the fence.
Let's call him Nutty and watch what he does. Nuts! 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 Nuts!
He is watching us. Is he planning something, Mom?
Maybe he saw the thief. Or maybe he is the thief.
Wait, Mom! Look up there! A crow's nest!
Ah! I see something shiny in it. Let's watch closely. Look! It's the crow, not Nutty.
Nutty was trying to stop him the whole time.
The crow! He still has my cookies!
Let's follow him carefully. Stay close to me.
Look, a name tag. It says Grandpa's house.
That's strange. Why does the crow have Grandpa's things? Oh no! Grandpa's party starts very soon!
He needs his cookies for the cake. We must hurry. There he is! Nutty, help us catch him!
Nuts!
Nutty scared him! Look, the cookies are falling! I got them! I found the cookies!
Great job, Leo! And great job, Nutty!
Mom, look! The crow's nest had other things too.
A toy car and Dad's pencil. We found everything!
And Nutty helped us catch the real thief.
I'm sorry, Nutty. I blamed you, but you were innocent.
Today we learned, look carefully before you blame someone.
And always say sorry when you make a mistake.
What did the crow take? Tell us in the comments.